Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with another wig review. I recently, I would say about 3 months ago, 3 months ago, 4 months ago, dyed my hair blonde, and it has been, I love my hair color. My stylist did a fabulous job on it. I want to go blonder, but my hair, the way it's set up right now, it will not allow me to. I can't do it. If I do go any blonder, it is going to literally get rid of the curls that I have worked so hard to get. So I have been like on the search for a curly wig that is blonde already, that I don't have to dye, that is around kind of the length that my natural hair is. So a couple of weeks ago during Coachella, I saw ISSA Forever upload a photo of her, this one right here, with a friggin' blonde wig. And I was like, girl, I need that friggin' wig. I searched high and low to try and figure out what wig it was, and then she finally posted that like she don't even know what wig it is. She forgets she got it so long ago. So I just kept searching and searching and searching and searching, and finally I came up on this. Now, this is not the wig that ISSA has, I don't think, but this wig is by Outre. It is called JoJo, and I got her in the color, DR27613. So, you know 613 is a platinum blonde, so that is a very blonde. The 27, however, is not as close to a 27 as I would have thought, but I'm okay with it. I can rock with it. So I've seen a couple people customize this unit, so I'm hoping that I can get the same look that I'm going for with this unit. So let's try it out. So this is the unit right out of the package. She looks a mess. Yeah, she looks a mess, but let's cross our fingers and hope for the best. She does not have any lace, so she is not a lace front. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to cut some bangs. So I'm hoping that that'll make it super easy to work with, because it's just bangs, right? So how hard can that be? All right, the color doesn't look as bad as I thought. However, she's got some like weird tabs here on the side that I'm just not sure what the heck they are. It does not like go hug around your ears like most lace fronts would, I guess because it's not a lace front. But I'm here for her. She's the length I want, that's for sure. She's definitely the length. So what I'm gonna have to do is just come right into here and bring a couple of pieces forward and get to cutting, which is the scary part, but let's see what I can do with this. All right, so we got these bangs here. I'm gonna give them a little twist. And I'm going to start longer and work my way up. You don't want to cut up here and then they don't look how you want them, because they're not going to grow back, girl. So I'm just going to cut right about here. The thing is, everybody's hair is going to like sit differently on each face, right? So depending on your head size and whatnot, and like where you place the wig exactly. Like look, if I pull it up, pull it back a bit, and not have it right so close to my hairline. Sorry, I keep leaning over. The reason I'm leaning over is because my garbage can is right down here, and I don't want this going all over me. But like anybody whose natural hair looks like this, I would just like to shout you out and say you are the real winner, because I wish my real hair looked like this. Now, I'm having a dilemma because I cannot find my pick. Yeah, I really can't find that thing anywhere, so hopefully I find it sooner than later. All right. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of poof it up with my fingers then. I would just really like to kind of separate some of these curls so they don't look so processed and put together. Like, I want them to look like, obviously, like it's my hair, which, guys, this wig is popping. Woo! Oh my goodness. Guys. I'm about to stunt on him this summer with this. And you guys know I'm going on vacation soon. So safe to say that she's coming with me. Because can you imagine like how she would look on the beach? This wig has probably been the easiest thing I have ever put on my damn head. The easiest to work with. Like, ooh. Yo. She is popping. Oh my god, I've never been so in love. I have like literally been looking for a wig that will be curly like this for a while now. Like, I have been looking for this for like at least, I would say at least a year, if not more. There's a girl on here on YouTube. Shoot, I forget her name. Oh yes, I think it's like the Beauty Guru or something Guru, and she has hair like this, and I've always been like, I need my hair to look like that, and I could never achieve it. And now your girl's gonna just throw on this wig and be like, hey. But yeah, so this is the end result. That literally took me like all of like 10 minutes to do. Like, this took me no time at all. She's beautiful. The texture feels nice. She's full. She doesn't feel like a synthetic unit. She feels pretty much almost like human hair. So I'm here for her. I think I'm going to end up rocking her a lot in the summer. She's probably going to be extremely hot because she's so much hair, but I don't mind it at all. So if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I picked it up on samsbeauty.com. They had a bunch in stock because I know that a couple of other websites that I tried to purchase it from, they did not have it in stock, this specific color. But Sam's Beauty did, so they might not have it for long because I'm about to go on there and order a bunch more because you guys know synthetic wigs don't last forever. But I'm about to order me like a boatload of these because this is fire. But anyways, hopefully you guys liked the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.